Now let's solve this problem differently. Everyone concentrate. So he's actually saying here cost basically when he's talking about income, he should have said price here, but that's okay, doesn't matter. Okay, you need to understand to the context of the question. Coming to the question, now let's solve this without any assumption, because if previously I wanted to teach you without those numbers, but you wouldn't have understood. Now you have already understood the concept. Now let's look at this problem differently. Production of wheat is 1/4 times that of rice. So production, we are interested in wheat and rice. Okay, we are interested in wheat and rice, and this is production. Okay, now, so he's saying production of wheat is 1/4 times that of. So if the production of rice, let's assume production of rice to be X. Previously we took it as 40. Now I'm saying it is X. If production of rice is X, can you tell me what is the production of wheat?
1/4x.
So what is 1/4? Convert it into normal fraction.
So 9/4.
9/4.
9/4.
Very good. Can I say it is 9/4 times of X? Now the price or the cost that we are talking about, he's saying the price of rice is 1/4 times of wheat. We don't know the price of wheat. Let me assume it as some Y. If price is it to be Y, if the wheat's price is Y, what is the price of rice?
5/4y.
5/4.
Very good. It will be 5/4 times of Y. Now tell me, I am producing 9/4x and my price is Y. What will be my income? I have so much of production.
9/4x into y.
Very good. It will be 9/4x into y. So 9/4xy is the income. Can anyone tell me what is the income from rice?
5/4yx.
Very good. It will be 5/4 times of xy. So now he's asking you, then what is the income? If a farmer produces wheat in place of rice, he produces wheat in place of rice, then what is his income in terms of the previous income? Previous income means instead of his previous was rice, now he's producing wheat. So previously for rice, the income is 5/4 times of xy, and the income from wheat is 9/4 times of xy. He's asking you, this value is how many times of this value is the question. This is how many times of this? How will you decide this is how many times of that?
9/4xy into 4/5xy.
No, if you want this to be how many times of that, that means
Divide.
you will divide. So 9/4 times of xy divided by 5/4 times of xy. Very good. If you understand that, then the problem becomes easy. Your x and y will be divided. 9/4 by 5/4. This 4 and 4 also get cancelled. So your answer is 9/5. Your 9/5 is nothing but how much? 1/4/5.